Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at a few things what Madam Glam sent. So as you can see, we've had a few different parcels arrive just recently. I know this one is June's collection, which is a little bit late, but we'll do that one last. So let's have a look at this one first. Ooh, what we got in here? So we've got some UV protection gloves. And we've got a brush. Let's have a look. And a little baggie. And another sealy bag. These are really well packaged. So these are the gloves that you wear when you put your hand in your nail lamps. And it just protects them from the UV rays. But you can still wear them when you're doing your nails because, as you can see, the finger ends are chopped off like that. So you wear them like that and it covers your whole hand from the UV rays. They're really, really good. I've got tiny hands though, so they're going to be massive for me. They feel so soft, really, really soft. I like them. I haven't got any of these, so yeah, I'm well happy about them. And obviously you get a pair. And then this is actually a foundation brush, but they put this on the website as a dust off brush. Let's have a look. I love that it comes in this box. Really like that. So you open it like that. Oh, and it's got their logo on the bottom. I like that. Look at that. It's so pretty. And it's super, super soft. So yeah, you hold it like that. And if you, whatever you're dusting off, whether it be glitter, anything, you just fold your nails and you want to get rid of the excess dust. And this brush is also vegan friendly as well. Yeah, I like it. I really like that it comes with the logo, and I love this. I really like that. So now I have got a posh dust off brush. Thank you, Madam Glam. Love it. So that's the first parcel. This is the second one. What do we got in here? Ooh, we've got a new lamp. Glam Mini UV LED lamp. This looks well smart. Let's get it open. Right, on the back, one button setting. You've got a 60 seconds and a 120 seconds option. UV LED lamp, 12-piece beads, USB power cable, 36 watt. That's good for a mini lamp. Oh wow, that is so smart. We've also got an instruction manual as well. Designed for professional or personal use, suitable for UV gel, LED gel, builder gel, one-step gel and polygel. How to use: connect the USB cable to your laptop, plug it into an electric outlet or connect to power bank directly. Press on and off button on top to turn the lamp on. Time is set to 60 seconds by default. If you hold the on off button for 2 to 3 seconds, you'll get 120 seconds cure. We offer 100% satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty as well. Cool. Let's see it working, shall we? So this is the USB power cord. It's actually got quite a nice length to it as well. Let's plug it in. Alright, I've just had to unplug one of my recording lights, guys, just so I can plug this in for a sec. So, oh, look inside. Oh, I love that. So you remove this blue stuff. I'm not going to do that now, but you remove this blue stuff and it's like chrome. So the light reflects off that chrome and that helps it hit your nails from all different angles. Look at how all them beads are situated as well. You're not going to get any dead spots with that, are you? I love it. Let's get it plugged in. So you plug that bit in there like that. Press the on button and you get a 60-second cure. Turn it off. Now if you want a 120-second cure, 2-minute cure, hold it down for 2 to 3 seconds until it comes on, and that will give you 120 seconds cure. So yeah, look at those. I love this, and it looks so cool. It looks ultra modern, doesn't it? I really like it. It's so much prettier than the usual everyday mini LED lamps, isn't it? So yeah, don't forget to take this blue bit off here, guys, because that is how the light, actually I'm going to show you myself, 1 second. So pull those blue bits off like that, and you'll see it is all mirrored inside, and that is how the light manages to bounce around and catch every part of your nails. I love it. My most favourite mini lamp ever. I really like it. You could also pop it like this, and if you're doing lazy girl method and you need to get both hands in, you can get both hands in like that, just to give it a part cure, and then flip it back up and finish the curing. Yeah, this is really versatile. I can see me using this a lot. Love that. Thank you so much, Madam Glam. And I like that it folds away. Really easy to store. Well cool. Well smart, that is. This is something everyone definitely needs in their collection. It's so handy to have. And now we're going to take a look at Madam Glam's June gel polish collection. So like I said earlier, guys, this is a little bit late going out, unfortunately. I'm so sorry. Took a little bit longer than normal to get to me this time for some reason. What do you think to this new packaging? I actually really like it. I think I prefer the black boxes, but I really like this detail. I love this. I really like that symbol. Yeah, I like it. So the name of this collection is called House of Colour. I wonder why. Should we take a look why? So the colours that I've chosen this month are your SubLIME, the Star, Pink Madness, and Eternal Bliss. Look how bright these are. I'm well excited for these. Well excited to see what these are like. It's made up of 8 gorgeous, bright, creamy opaque gel polishes. All Madam Glam gels are vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free formula, palm oil-free and Hema-free. They are really good quality gel polishes. Pretty much good for anyone to use. So we're going to give them a little swatch to start with, because I want to take a look at the colours, see what they look like, and then I'm going to crack on and do a design using some of them. So the first one is going to be Eternal Bliss. I absolutely love Madam Glam gels. They glide on beautifully. Look at that. One coat. Perfect coverage. I love how they self-level before your eyes. I really like watching that. So that one is Eternal Bliss. A beautiful purple colour. And Madam Glam gels cure in an LED lamp for 30 seconds and a UV lamp for 2 minutes. Next up is your SubLIME. So this is one that I am really excited for. Look at that. Beautiful neon green colour. I love it. I hate these swatch sticks. They've got like a little lip on the edge. The gel polish, don't want to go into it. Right on the edge of each corner. It's so annoying. Oh, wow. I really like that. I don't think I have got like a neon green like that. I think that's my first Madam Glam neon green. It's beautiful. They're so creamy. They're so opaque. Next one is Pink Madness. Oh wow, that is bright. Look at that one. Beautiful, hot, bright pink. Love that. And then the last one is The Star. That's a really nice bright yellow, isn't it? Really pretty yellow. Right, so I'm going to give them all a top coat off camera now, guys. So I'm going to be using the Madam Glam's No White Shiny Top Coat. And then on the bottom half, I'm going to run along with the Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. So I'm going to do that all off camera. And then we'll come back and take a look at the swatches. And then I'm going to decide what design I want to do with them. That is the swatches, guys. I really like these. These are right up my street. Really bright, beautiful bold colours. Love them. Proper summer colours them, aren't they? Well happy with them. So that's what they look like, shiny and matte. Can you see that? Yeah, just. Right, guys, I'm going to have to end the video here, and I'm going to have to do a design in my next video because we're already over 12 minutes long. By the time I have done a design, we're going to be looking at like over 20 minutes. So yeah, I'm going to cut this off here and keep this as an unbox and swatch video. And then tomorrow I shall put out the design video. So keep your eyes peeled for that one. Everything that I've shown you today, I'm going to leave listed in my description box below. I've also got a 30% off discount code for Madam Glam as well, guys, which is GG30. I shall pin that in my comments along with the link to the website if anyone wants to go over it and do a little bit of shopping. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.